We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 1. Mr. McLean drove 577.2 miles. Ms. Lopez drove 165.4 miles. About how many more miles did Mr. McLean drive than Ms. Lopez? We round to the nearest 100 miles. 577.2 miles rounds to 600 miles, and 165.4 miles rounds to 200 miles. 600 miles subtracts 200 miles equals 400 miles. Hence, A is the correct answer. Question number 2. A worker is building toys at a factory. The relationship between the number of hours the employee works, X, and the number of toys the employee builds, Y, is represented by the equation Y equals 9X. We will substitute values for X into the equation. When X equals 1, Y equals 9. When X equals 2, Y equals 9 multiplied by 2, which equals 18. When X equals 3, Y equals 9 multiplied by 3, which equals 27, and so on. Option H contains all 3 matching points, therefore it's the correct answer. The table shows the weights in tons of 4 cars. Which statement is true? Option A. The weight of car S is less than the weight of car T. A is not correct. Option B. The weight of car Q is greater than the weight of car R. B is also not correct. Option C. The weight of car R is less than the weight of car T. C is also not the correct answer. Option D. The weight of car S is greater than the weight of car Q. So D is the correct answer. Question number 4. A youth soccer team has 8 players. The table shows the height and the weight of each of the 8 players. The first point. Height is 64, weight is 105, while option F, the weight is 106 when height is 64. Hence option F is not correct. Move to the next point. Height is 66 inches. The weight is 105. We have 2 points with 66 inches height. Hence, option H is not correct. We will now examine each data point in the table to determine if it aligns with the values presented in option G. All points match, therefore G is the correct answer.